Hi all, welcome to Anjan GCP Data Engineering. So far we have seen how to develop Google Dataflow batch and stream pipelines using Python SDK, and we have seen how we can run them in a Dataflow environment, right? And how to test and how to run all those things we have already seen in our previous videos, right? So in this video we are going to concentrate on how we can run Dataflow batch pipelines using Dataflow provided templates. Okay, so Dataflow is providing a ready-made templates based on use case. We can make use of them and we can run our batch or stream pipelines. But in this video we will concentrate on a common use case where we will try to read data from a Google Cloud storage bucket and will transform them. We will try to use a simple transformations, right? And then we'll try to insert the data or write the data into BigQuery table, right? So all these templates have been developed in Java SDK using Java SDK. Okay, so we'll try to make use of one of this template, that is processing text file from the Google Cloud storage to the and transform them and write them into BigQuery, right? This is a common use case. Okay, all right, and before going to the demo, we'll try to see a demo slide and then we'll quickly move to the demo. Okay, so we're trying to use a template to run our Dataflow batch job. Okay, and we are trying to read text file from the Google Cloud storage bucket and transform them and write them into Google BigQuery. Okay, so let us quickly move to the demo. You can use this option, right? That is create job from template. Okay, so first of all you have to provide the job name, right? So anyway it is demo, right? Dataflow batch, okay, GCS to BQ. This is my job name, right? So now I have to specify the regional endpoint from where Dataflow workers to be spinned up and execute our jobs, right? So here I have to select my nearest region endpoint, that is, right? So let me select the Delhi. Okay, and then template. This is important option where you have to select appropriate template based on your use case. Okay, now you can see this is very basic template word count, and here it is for stream use cases. That means streaming and streaming data and then transform and then write that into some destination. Okay, so here we are going to use batch template, right? Come down, you can see there are so many templates have been provided by Dataflow for all common use cases, right? So here you can see data in bulk or batch, right? Now just go down and here you can see text files on Google Cloud Storage to BigQuery. Okay, so I have to select this template. Okay, now once you select the template, based on the template and that template, it is going to even give some more options to provide all the template input arguments, right? So actually I already told you, so all these templates have been developed in Java, right? They're using Java SDK. For the transformation it uses JavaScript. You have to provide your transformation logic, right, in the form of JavaScript, right? So right, so especially for this example, the JavaScript and everything, right, that code I haven't written any code for myself, so I just referred this code from the Google official documentation. Just go and type Dataflow templates in the Google search, then you will, it will take you to that particular link. Okay, I don't have to give any details, right? So yeah, JSON path. So all these are self-explanatory, so right, you can just go through each of this option and try to understand, right? So this is the Google Cloud storage path JSON file. So it's going to write our data into a BigQuery table, right? It is expecting a schema. Schema should be provided in the form of JSON file, right? So I will try to show you that file name. This is the file. I'm trying to use simple schema. So name, right, and age, and then city, state. It's a simple schema. All are of string data type. Okay, this is the schema in JSON file, right? So right now it is available in my local machine. So for our demo purpose, I've already uploaded into some GCS path. Okay, so let us go to that GCS bucket. Okay, here. So this is the file, right? So it is available in this GCS path location, right? So we'll try to examine the next option, that is the JavaScript UDF, because to transform we have to provide some logic that should be provided in the form of JSON script, right? So this is the script. Okay, this is the script. What it is doing, we'll try to understand this script on high level. Simple transformation, it is trying to split each of the line from the given input file. Based on the comma, it's going to split. That's it. That is a transformation. Okay, so this is a function, right? So we have to even upload this file into a GCS bucket and folder. Then we have to specify that path over here, right? So let me provide that path. So this is the path. Okay, so this is our, let me select our JSON schema file location. So here it is available. Even our JSON script, sorry, our JavaScript user transformation logic is available in the same path. So right, so you can see the same path, scripts. Okay, and then you have to specify the JavaScript function name. Okay, let us go to the function. Right, this is the function name. You have to specify that function name over here. Okay, and then you have to specify BigQuery output table, right? So this is the table where you are going to write your transform data, right? So for that I've already okay, this is the table name, this is the project name and dataset name. I've already created this dataset for our demo purpose. Okay, so what it will do, this code will just check whether this table is already exist or not. If it exists, it will try to override the table, otherwise it will create the table and then load the data. Okay, so mention and cloud storage input path from where it is going to read the input data. Okay, so our input data look like this. Okay, so this is our input data in CSV format, comma separated, right? We have 4 columns, name, age and city and street. Okay, so this is simple data. So you have to specify. So I've already placed this file into a GCS bucket, the same bucket but the different folder, that is input folder. So this is the input data. Okay, now so this job will try to use a GCS temporary and staging path for its internal purpose. It will try to write some internal data while processing our input data. Okay, let me provide those details, right? Staging, so I've already created respective folders. Okay, and then temporary folder, same bucket folder. Yeah, so it will make use of these 2 folders, right? So that's it. Now you have to click on run job so that it will launch batch Dataflow job. Okay, so let us click on that option. Okay, now in a minute or so you will see that batch job running over here. It will take 3 to 4 minutes to complete that job. Once it gets completed successfully, then here you will see our table, output table is getting created with the data. Okay, we'll have to wait till that time. Okay, so yeah, now you can see this batch job is launched and it is in running state. I think it will be completed in a while. Okay, Now it's getting completed. You can see that there is one more stage pending for completion. It will be done soon. It's done now. So before verifying our output, so let us see our input data once again, right? So this is our input data. So now we should have a table loaded with this data. So for that, let us quickly go to the BigQuery table and refresh it, and you should see the output data. Okay, so over here, this data set, so we have this table created. So this is the table name, right? Here, this is the table name. The same table name we can see over here. Just preview the data. Now you can see this data has been loaded. So you can use this template for all this type of use cases, and there are many more templates available. Based on your use case, you have to select the appropriate templates over here. Someone who is new to the coding, right, whether it can be a Java or Python and any other SDK, so to start with, right, they can definitely make use of this template to practice, right? And also if there are any use case or requirement matching with this template, right, so definitely they are select the appropriate template, and they can run the batch of jobs, Dataflow batch jobs accordingly. Okay, so I hope you can examine all these templates one by one, right, and this will definitely help you. Okay, so for this video, that's it. So we will meet in the next video. Maybe in the next video we are going to schedule this template jobs through Composer. Okay, so for that you have to clearly understand this concept. So that is the main intention, right, which led me to do this demo, right, or do this video. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video.